Along a highway near Rome, the flying car makes its first test. A propeller-driven automobile that also flies, or if you prefer it the other way, a plane that also doubles as a car. Top land speed, 150. At the airport, driver sprouts wings and becomes pilot. The wings unfold to a span of 12 yards and presto, it's a plane. The flying car has room for 2 passengers and develops 125 horsepower. Airspeed is over 200 miles an hour. Italy's newest boon to travel is one step nearer to the submarine that climbs trees.